Sanibonani ekhaya igama lami MK. Welcome to another episode namhlanje nihleli no Tamzo. Anzuyimosha. I'm just gonna let him ukuthi as introduce achaza ukuba ngaba ubuya phi and yipi organization azoyirepresenta apha today. Tamzo Grand Prayer.
Hayi ngimnandi my brother wena.
Ndimnandi.
Hayi I'm good.
Mnandi Tam. Bengicela ukuthi uzazise bra and mostly usixelele i-role yakho kwinto kwi-organization.
Okay my brother, before I start greetings to everyone at home. Igama lami uMzomuhle Mazibuko, of which is chairman and the founder of Mzomuhle Community Games, of which situated khona la eThokoza eMpilisweni section.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Indoni yakuchaza bangaba mawuqale yona le organization le.
Mina my brother, usually I'm working with people ngomuntu othanda ukusebenza ngabantu nge-community. When it comes to community development, I'm always there. So I've realized ukuthi such organizations ziyayenza ukuthi ku-community kube ne-change and ziyayenza ukuthi kube ne-discipline. For instance, if there are organizations like this is host ama-tournament, i-youth iyakhona ukusuka ezintweni substance abuse like ama-drugs, ama-gender-based violence. So iyakhona ukuhlanganisa abantu sifocus ku-sport, sidevelop youth ukuthi sitshintshe impilo zabo.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Xa seyiqala le organization lena i-vision yakho kwakuyintoni? I know over time it can change, but then ukuqala nje kwayo nje i-organization, what was i-vision?
Yeah, i-vision mina, my vision ukuthi ngibe i-change emphakathini wami, and another vision ukuthi la ekasi sine talent eningi and of which le talent alikhona ukuvela kahle. So my vision ukuthi siveze i-generation le entsha or the young ones ukuthi siveze talents, baveze talent when bababona abanye abantu, that's where abakhona ukuhamba khona baqhubeke nama talent wabo up until bafike labafisa nabo ukufika khona. So ukubaveza, ukubanikeza i-platform ne-exposure iye into ebalulekile, into engayibona ukuthi kwenza lama tournament exposure izoba khona. Obviously sizokhula, kugcine kuba nama sponsors, kugcine kuba nama scout and everything.
Nice.
By doing so we are developing the community.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I know abantu ababhaye when baqala ama initiative so baza ke mentality ye business.
Yes.
Are you also a person who is like rooted into a business, or when you first began yonke lento le it grew from a passion obunayo for i-disc usakhula and then the influence mhlambi community eye yakunikeza yona?
Mina my brother, as Mzomuhle, usually i-disc into engihamba kakhulu because even now each and every tournament ngihlezi ngikhona because of lento engiyenzayo. Angiyenzeli ukuthi kubenefit mina, but if ukuthi kubenefit i-community yami, benefit and futhi i-community and South Africa as a whole, because of this thing of ukwenza such events. Ayimelanga uyimix ne-business or anything, because now we are talking about community development. So you can't start organization like this expect to benefit. So la is another way of giving back to the community and ukuthi uyenze change empilweni zabanye abantu.
Nice one.
Yes.
Okay. So iqale nini i-organization and then i-mission yayo from ukuqala kwayo kwakuyintoni?
Imzomuhle Community Games iqale 2023. So the mission ngiqala le organize ezingishilo ukuthi bengilokhu ngihamba ama tournament, ngisupport ibhola and everything. Lento ngiyayithanda obvious. Then I've decided ukuthi no man, let me start this thing nami ngihost ama tournament. By doing so ngizozama ukufuna ama sponsors, ngizame ngigcine ngifika kule level ukuthi ngithola ama squad up until kwenzeke lento ukutshintsha impilo zabantu, ukuthi at least ukuthi sithathe 3 or 2 per month or per 3 months, ukuthi at least kube khona umfana or someone esimkhombayo ukuthi this one is from the dust today simkhomba lana, but uthathwe kule organization. That is the big dream kakhulu.
Nice one.
Yes.
So i-initiative lena i-evolve kanjani ukusukela from i-first edition yenu?
From i-first edition, lucky enough, khona iside engakayikhulumi. I'm the chairperson we youth desk lapha eThokoza police station.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
thing it started when I started my tournaments ngistartile, then when I went there sengiyi-chairperson, then that's where ngikhone khona ukuthi sisebenzisane nama-SAPS ne-CPF and
Yeah.
everyone ukuthi because of when we are talking about youth desk, youth crime prevention desk, they are dealing with youth and they are preventing. We are preventing crime, we are preventing drugs, we are preventing gender-based violence. So in such events are like ama-tournaments siyadingana because of that's where sikhona khona ukuthola youth sikhulume nayo ukuthi this is how we go, this is wrong, this is right, and that's where sikhona ukuhlangana, that's where sikhona ukubona youth ukuthi i-youth isifunani kumele isizakale ngani. So that's where esikhona ukuthi ngisebenze khona ne-CPF and SAPS lapha eThokoza Police Station, more especially social crime prevention.
Kushukuthi kubusy ke la. I remember there was a time where I spent like a week
Yes.
looking here la every day ngifuna umuntu we-youth desk nowe-social crime prevention.
Yes.
Abantu anitholakala.
No, my brother, ngisho sometimes kuyayenzeka ukuthi people they are busy, we are busy, thola ukuthi kumele kuyele nale more especially umuntu ophethe
Yeah,
i-crime
yeah.
prevention of which is Miss Phalane, thola ukuthi busy. So maka busy obviously officini akekho is the one who in charge of everything, but nje the youth desk is working. Anyone ofuna ukujoina youth desk is welcome ukuthi ahambe yojoina lapha police station and aqala asebenzele i-community because this is not about umuntu, it's about the community.
Community.
And
Okay,
and I would
okay.
like ukuthi futhi ngihlezi ngibonga kakhulu CPF and SAPS because of they are always involved ey'ntweni ezenzayo when it comes to community development.
Nice one.
Yes.
Nice one. Okay. So gawaphi ama moments, let me call it ama moments amakhulu kuwe othi xa wajonga from your first edition niqala as i-organization in-host ama-tournaments to this day, like xa ujonge emva and be like, I'm proud of ama-achievements are so.
Yo, my brother, you know, when we are hosting such things, such big things, my brother, this thing omunye umuntu thinks it's something small, like into encane ukuhosta such tournament because number one ukuhlanganisa abantu amabo, let's say more than 100 under one roof akukho easy because everyone una different views, different opinions, and wonke umuntu ucabanga ngendlela yakhe. So such events mawuzenzile zaba successful mele uhlezi ubonga. For my first edition, my brother, I would like to emphasize this. I will always thank this guy uJukes Moreno because of this guy. First time ngisakhuluma ngeplan ukuthi I just wanna do a tournament Jukes because of nginamaphupho ukuthi ngifuna ukudevelop more especially youth. Because of nayo Jukes, if you can notice, it's someone who believes ebantwini abancane ku youth ukudevelop. Even ama player wakhe uwathola sasemancane then develop most of the time. So
yeah.
that guy ubelievele kimi of which to the point ukuthi uye wangitshela ukuthi do the tournament mzo. Mina I believe in you, I will support you. But most I never do a tournament, but do the tournament, you are capable because of he knows me. So I've done the tournament, Wamampela wajoina, everyone wajoina, walanda amanye team. Then that tournament was very successful, very successful, and they athatchwa uye Aston Villa.
Okay.
Aston Villa,
Okay,
like,
okay.
Aston Villa. Then yathathwa uye. So that moment was very yabonisa something that moment angeke ngize ngikhohle because sometimes mawumuntu ngibonise something ukuthi ungangabaza amandla wakho, like ungazilimit empilweni because of sometimes you are capable but uyasaba noma uyazilimit. So yangibonisa ukuthi if into icabanga ufuna ukuyenza go hamba nayo, just go with it, uzobona ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. So that moment I will never forget because from there I never host a tournament yafailure up to now. Bengiqeda ukuyenza manje, it was August, September, it was very successful.
Okay.
And of which ema-tournamentini wethu ke akukaze even kwakhalwa even about ngama-financial and everything.
Iyanibhadala.
You can call every chairman from
Yeah.
Jukes, then call 2 minutes, then you can call others, you can call abo mamba, you can call anyone. Akekho umuntu waba ne problem when it comes to financial masekumele kubhadala akushort in the fiber.
Yeah. So in most cases nguwe ohosta la Dexter.
In most-
Makuthiwa iDexter nje kudlalwe Dexter uwe.
Yeah, in most cases ime ngihosted Dexter, most special bengihlezi ngishaya ama-top 16. So now as you can see we have to move to ma-top 32 because masiма umuntu elifini emele ukhule.
Yeah,
nomntwana
yeah,
before
yeah.
ahamba uqala khase but ugcina ahamba, so mawumuntu you have to ukuthi ukhule.
Injani pressure so far?
Hey my brother, the pressure is always there my brother. Ezingishilo ukuhlanganisa abantu is not that simple because of umuntu ucabanga ngale ndlela yakhe and everyone ufuna lento ayifunayo and uyifuna kuwe, so we have to ukuthi able umanage wonke umuntu, we have to make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu uba happy. So
Yeah.
ipressure ihlezi khona but as a leader you always uthola indlela yokuthi umanage ipressure.
Ne.
Yes.
Ne. I know sisase kulama milestones wakho ne.
Yes.
Bewusangicountela wona, but
Yes.
then njengoba lokukhuluma you are raising amanye ama questions.
Yes.
Ngohambile nami ama tournaments
Yes.
For a couple of years ngoku, and
Yes.
I've learned ukuthi especially ma host tournament you
Yes.
find ukuthi ama team aya affiliate maybe ngemali encane just ukubamba isport,
Yes.
yabo, and then uvalela amanye ama team ngaphandle.
Yes.
And then kuze kucala i-tournament leyo beka affiliate ngemali encane akakaqedi ukubhadala ibalance and
Yes.
all of that, like
Yes.
nidila kanjani nama situations also where you find yourself ukuthi le team iyadlala to a point where seyiyaphuma kwi-tournament bayayidla and ayikakaqedi uku-affiliate? Have you ever encountered into enjalo? If so, why ilungisa kanjani?
I know I never encountered into enjalo because of my brother. I mean, I've started this thing, my vision was very clear.
Okay.
Because of I'm always watching ama tournament. I know how much tournament amosheka kanjani. I know ukuthi when it comes to amanye ama tournament maphela kuba nenkinga zemali and ngabona ukuthi yini le yenza ukuthi kuba ne problems zemali.
Nice.
So ama problems zemali, once you allow a team to come and participate without paying full amount, that's where the problem begins. Because of where are you going to take that money ukuthi replace le mali? Because of if someone has paid deposit ukuthi ubambe space before game, before angene ground in must pay the rest of the money or else uyayekela. Remember ke once wafaka imali yakho there is no refund. We have paid for a deposit, there is no refund.
Okay.
Yeah, simple like
Okay.
that. So to make sure that awubambi space for abantu abafuna uparticipate. You can't ukuthi ungabambi space abanye abantu at the end of the day abanye abasangenanga then
Abasakhonanga ukungena.
siyaluza thina yonke into. So le
Exactly.
mali oyifakile
Exactly,
seyihambile,
exactly.
no refund.
I think we should sort of do izinto ezifana nama workshops where we discuss izinto so, because in most cases where you find ama tournament organizers facing inkinga so,
Yes.
angazi ukuthi bancenga ama team ukuthi azokala azogame or khambani, like how do you make sure when ukuthi if ever uyenza top 16 wonke ama team akho 16 azoba khona, like do you build ama relationship nabo bonke abosikhulu mhlambe bama team ozobudlala nabo, or like how do you do marketing in making sure bangaba you are getting the number or aimelayo?
My brother, like when it comes to sports, yes, building relationship is very important everywhere.
Okay.
You have to build a relationship and everything. But here we are talking about something that involves money. So money can build relationship, can break relationship.
Yeah,
So
true.
you have to be careful while you are busy building relationship. You have to be careful ukuthi awudlalele into enzemali. But
Okay.
because someone can build a relationship now, hopingly only to find out ukuthi kanalento ukuthi hayi man utami uzokhanda akakaze ngibhadalise man obviously sijwayelene.
Yeah,
Leyo nto
man,
seyilimaza
man.
ibrand yalento yakho, seyilimaza lento othi uzama ukuyenza. Is no longer manje developing a community, now it's affecting the community. Yes.
Okay. Okay, now let's go back kuma milestones.
Yes.
After coach Jukes ubani ngamapi amanye ama moments that you can actually reflect to?
Yeah, there are so many moments because another moment, the second moment, it's where sesize khona sengizoyenza sengisponsor manje sengihamba ne-CPF and ne-SAPS straight. That's where I was host the tournament and it was very successful. It was very successful and that's where engabona khona ukuthi the community yabelievela kimi. That's where engabona khona ukuthi what I'm doing angeke ngizibone mina manje but abantu bayibona ukuthi I'm making a difference endawo emphakathini.
Yeah,
And I'm making sure ukuthi emphakathini kuba na something youth iba busy nga something, because this is not the only thing engiyenzayo. Mina nginokulanda ama learnership like izofundiswa ngeagriculture kuphuma ama certificate, ngilanda ama learnership abantu bazofunda ama computer kuphuma ama certificate. So as angishilo ukuthi I'm dealing with the community because of I'm also a leader mina khona lapha empilisweni, so I know ukuthi umphakathi ufunani. I know and I'm doing exactly lento umphakathi awufunayo.
Ayifunayo.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now That was a very strategic move.
Yes, yes, my brother.
Let's talk about the actual reason ukuthi why you lapha today.
Yes.
Top 32 that's coming.
Yes.
Kule Saturday siyakuya.
Yes.
Come back.
Yes, my brother. Hey, this top 32, I've announced the top 32, it was May. I've announced the top 16, it was May. And the top 16, then I've ngaya CFM, because usually ngaya CFM, you announcer. Banginikeza platform, tati koda. Then bangaya platform, ngi announce then ngibuyele futhi around August, mangishaya top 16 yokugcina ngithi mina no. So announce the top 16, now siyakhuphuka manje.
Okay.
Announce everything, then everything yahamba sharp, everyone wakhona ukuthi ebona ukuthi i-tournament on and everything izoyenzeka.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ngicela usinikeze ama details ngayo top 16 ba affiliate kanjani, ama prizes athini, blah blah blah.
So this top 32.
Yeah, I mean yona le top 32 le.
Yes, this top 16, my brother, of which is Mzomuhle Community Games, the top 32, of which my brother right now sikhiphile post yokuqala top 16 lezodlala this week.
Okay.
And then the post isoyikhipha futhi ya le 16 ezodlala that week.
Okay.
So because of due to ukuthi khona la sike sa disturb khona ama weather, if you can remember from last week Friday, ama weather wekho right, so khona disturb khona, but everything now it's sorted.
Okay.
So this tournament is now 120, my brother, for now. As a shield, the finalist, umuntu number 1 will get 100K, plus gold medals, plus the cup, plus the kit, of which then number 2 uzothola 20,000 plus kit, plus silver medals. Then izinto ezizotholakala lezo for number 1 and number 2.
Okay.
But it might happen ukuthi kube nama changes, kube nezinto ezizozieda because of some people or organization, they are attracted to the tournament, of which because babona ukuthi iyenza change emphakathini, so we might announce izinto ezintsha ama changes, but nje what I can say is so announce indaba ezinhle kuphela, but there are people abasondelayo like sponsors ukuzosponsor.
Yes.
I can name them.
Coming to that as well. Yeah,
Yes,
I was actually going to ask about them. Okay. Okay, I know.
We are just flowing.
Let's change the setup kancane.
Yes.
Let's change the setup kancane. Awambo one.
Yes, my
Your
brother.
Siso Wamba naye. She's
Yes.
also a part of the executive yakho.
Yes.
Okay, ngicela uku-invite yena.
Yes, my
Ngikuphumze
brother.
kancinci
No.
ngihlale naye apha. Okay, it's a change of setup, change of scenario. Ayo change of scenario, man. It's just a change of setup. Yeah. We are actually going to talk about the upcoming tournament. But before that, I know I'm a followers of MK akakwazi, so I would like for you ukuthi uzitsho nabi so bangaba ungubani, ubuya phi, and how did you become part of the organization?
Okay, ngiyabonga MK. So my name is Cindy Mbata. I am the secretary of Mzomuhle's Community Games, and actually I started working for this organization about mid-year last year or this year.
Okay.
Unyaka mawuqala, something like that. So I'm based in Namtoza.
You are the first mama engringanayo engekho sure ngama dates. Hayi mama nama dates.
Okay, let me explain why.
Okay.
Ngithi I'm not sure whether it was this year or mid last year.
Yeah.
Because okay, fine. As Umzo has been hosting a tournament, I've been there on the sidelines, but then I wasn't there as umuntu velo who's part of it.
Okay.
But then I was part of it ngokuthi I'm able ukusiza lapha nalapha because I understand football and then I understand ama tournament asethawa kanjani nani, and I can
Nice one.
speak to people.
Okay.
So I'm not afraid to voice out mangibona when something is wrong happening or something should be happening but it's not happening and really happening. So I'm able to say no, stop. This is supposed to happen like this. So it gives advantage abantu bakutreat so. So that was mainly my role. So
Okay.
I think it became official this year. Mase ngiqala ukusebenza naye ukuthi okay nami senginesihlalo.
Man.
secretary and all of that.
Okay, okay. No, nice to meet you.
Ngiyabonga.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Let's talk about this tournament.
Okay.
Seka ibekile Mr. Chair. I-basics nyana bangabe it's gonna be the top 32 was
yeah.
nama prizes and all that. Yeah, but I know you guys have been hosting from our top 16
Top 16, yeah.
up until ngoku. You've quite created igama for Nina. So I bet bangaba there's a number of ama supporters in terms of sponsors, partners and all of that, starting from ECPF, the SAPS. I think now has been part of games from the get-go.
Yeah. Well, actually, I can say, yeah, CPS has been part of, because since I hosted 16, we really didn't have sponsors.
Okay.
We were just
Okay.
okay, let's just get back to
Yeah,
that. Okay.
I'll cut it out. It's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, so Masenza ama top 16, we really didn't have that much of sponsors. Ukuthi sothi ubani we can rely on, ubani will sponsor us with this and that.
Okay.
But then when we first started, as Umzo said, ukuthi bega part of CPF nayo. So obviously,
yes.
makacela ukuyenza, he did get some support from Bon ukuthi akwazi ukuhosta and stuff. But then going forward, we really didn't have sponsors until now. So as this is our first top 32, it has been hard, because I want to host ama 16 phela ama 32 now. It raises some concerns. What are you going to be able to reach the ball? Are you going to be able ukuthi ufike la uyakhona and obtain and often we obtain?
Okay.
But then because of that, then we had to knock on doors, and we went knocking. It wasn't easy. I don't know. I think maybe me as a student, because I'm also a student.
Okay.
So a part of me doing marketing really helped us in drafting those proposals, and then going to people, knowing how to talk to them, knowing how to play a role, knowing how to do things. So I ambile no kile, and then Sawashia, then only to find out that only few people just gave us a response. Some were happy to hear them, but some weren't. So I think that's it.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Okay.
Until again now, Sisithola sponsor from SCORE and MTN. Actually, before we called you, or before you called us, we're in a meeting with them, finalizing some strategies, and we're just thankful.
Okay. Nice one. MTN, everywhere you go.
Everywhere you go, they there. Yeah, it's everywhere you go.
No, ISCO, it's one of companies
Popular,
that is popular kakhulu in terms of sponsoring ama tournaments la.
Yeah.
So indaba yabo it's most cases nje iba obvious,
Yeah.
unless politics comes in a way.
Which they do.
Yeah, they do. I know. Yeah, they do. They do. But then asiko up. What can we expect kuyo le top 32 le?
What can you expect? Well, I think you can expect the unexpected.
Okay.
I will not emphasize more with it, because usually when masamba ma tournament, we already know what's kuzowenzakalani nani. So mawuhambi tournament that you have never actually kuleyo setup yokuthi manje seku 32 akwazi ukubona ukuthi kungenzakalani. Usually usazi ngama 16.
Yeah.
Obviously vibe ne environment ye 16 ne 32 ayifani.
Angeke ifane.
So obviously you can just expect the unexpected. You can expect to be surprised. Your jaw lines will drop. I don't know. But then you can just expect the unexpected, and then fun, having fun, and showcasing my talent.
Okay. Are there any new features such as ama rules okanye ama formats in our introducileyo kuyo le top 32?
Actually, akhona, but then there are more Sazwa introduced.
Yeah. Okay. ama-team niwaselecthe kanjani la e-32? Did they affiliate or nina baba-approachile to say kule
Top 32
program
ngane.
esiyenzayo,
Okay.
these are the teams esiwaselectayo based on whatever criteria ebeniyisebenzisa?
No, actually, it just went for everybody.
Okay.
We didn't have that specific team which is funale nan. But then we did know which teams will bring the crowd. So if you know those teams, you definitely must have them to your
You must have
tournament
them to your
to
tournament.
have that crowd. And then since actually it Dexter is indawo evalekile man, indawo most people will not know. So I was, you can say like sema farm, but then akusikhona ema farm. But
Ngike
then-
ndaya once there
Yabo.
kufika kungana sound ngabhoreka ayi
Exactly.
ngathi ngiyajika ngemoto like
So we're trying to bring that change ukuthi nayo ibe vibrant
Yeah.
ground njengamanye ground to get that excitement, that enthusiasm about yonke lanto man phakathi into ibe one package.
Okay.
And then obviously must let ama team from outside which abantu bangapha are not used to, obviously they'll go out, maybe corner that person othi ayazi nami ngiyafuna ukuyibukela le tournament, but then imali it's
Okay.
far, but it's, so must let ama team kanjalo from far, we are giving them that opportunity ukuthi nabo bakwazi uku-engage.
Okay, next one. Okay, cool. So kuma local brands such as your commentators, your DJs nani ngabo bani sibakumele siba expect ukuthi sobabona?
Well, good sound so far we have been working with there's a guy called Ulindo,
Okay.
and then so far we have been working well together, and we're hoping ukuthi even in the future izinto zizoqhubeka kanjalo. Then commentary, who else?
Aw.
Who else?
Umnikazi
Phandle-
wenkundla.
Exactly, umphathi
Yeah.
wohlelo, umphathi wendaba.
Yo, he praises leya ndawo yenu leya, he praises kakhulu.
Because he understands ukuthi kwenzakalani laphana, ngoba ngisho ukuthi Dexter is not like the other grounds.
Okay.
Le ndawo ivalekile, akusindawo ngazuthi like I acknowledge as much as it should be.
Okay.
So obviously mawuya and then you're trying to bring that change ukuthi abantu bazise izinto, so you have to yabo ukuthi abantu bazise ukuthi hayi there's a place like this. So if asibazisi, how would they know?
True. Okay. Kuba ne question ethanda ukuba sensitive. I know ama tournament organizers amaninzi awayithandi leya question leya, but then a lot of people are asking leya question, and
Okay.
it is our job bangaba basiyibuze. Chairman, you can also respond to it. Chairman mentioned earlier bangaba kule top 32 kunama prizes ayi-2, first prize kunye ne second prize.
Yeah.
Your first prize being 100k
100K,
ne trophy
20
nama gold
nama gold
medals,
medals and
then
kit.
ne kit, and then second prize advise up unga-advise khona to a point where early this year you've decided bangaba okay, you know what, nami ndiyayikhwela le train le. So kawaphi ama directions oye wabona bangaba udingakala kuwo in most cases xa ungena kwi-organization?
Okay, let's start with ukuthi before that ngibone kanjani nani. Before ngizojoina, I was actually part of management
Okay.
Thokoza United. There was a team sayivula eThokoza by chairman yethu Buleti nani. But then while playing, we used to join uyazi ama
Thokoza
conflicts.
United,
Yeah, Thokoza United.
nabufire.
Mm.
Thokoza.
I don't know
Oh, I
whether
think
uyamazi.
ufire baku-Ward 57.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Thokoza
Ward
United
57
benokuphatha
Thokoza.
abo Chichi,
Mhm.
abo Boy,
Okay,
abo X, abo Bibo.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, ndiyawabona
yeah,
manje.
bekuyiyo le. Then obviously ubona uyi-team ujoinile, so obviously kuba nama conflicts lawo bakhona. So every time masinokurojo, anytime when something came up, sinoku-approacha vele i-host ukuthi hayi ndoda ini kwenzeka so nani. So I saw by that ukuthi actually there's an open line, or ngithi there's an opening lapho ukuthi you can manipulate a certain way yakho ukuthi uthole into kanjani nani. So obviously when I started joining in, it was like, okay, so obviously ngiyawazi ama weaknesses akhe ukuthi akuphi.
Okay.
So I wanted to change that. So now yena sekayi ngizothini yena sekakuloyabuso obu-straight ukuthi uma uya kuyo you just get your final answer. So when teams want to say something they approach me, then we'll have that discussion. If it's a discussion, we'll have a debate if it's a debate, because I'm always keen to talking until we're tired of talking.
Okay. So ufike wa-emphasize i-order nje qala. Yeah, ibalulekile lento leyo. I see like yenza i-tournament like bengathi
Manje anisazi ukuthi
kenzakalani
dysfunction.
i-executive kahle ngabo bani, because anyone is like accessible nje at any time by anyone, yabo. Ne which can be one of the main causes zama-conflicts abhaya kuma-tournaments, where you'd hear abantu bathi yeah ureferee bamthengile sidlisiwe nanani. That's because anyone can just approach ureferee.
Yeah.
Yabona. If ever unenkinga no-referee as ucoach, or you want to say something to ureferee as a coach, njengoba aqashwe ile organization, that means you do not have access yaka-referee lowana.
ukukhuluma naye
You can
face to
only
face.
speak with them through your organization.
Yeah, uye etafuleni straight.
Ama-rules anjalo awekho. I'm so glad ukuthi like ubone that side.
No, I wanna last 16 years esibenayo.
Sure.
We actually had into kanjalo argument ukuthi player libe rough no referee because they thought uthi ureferee ubakopile nani. If football says ama mistakes ayenzeka nabo, even though abo referee they're only human after
Professional
all.
or non-professional,
There,
kuyafana.
exactly. Ama mistakes
Yeah,
akhona
yeah.
yenzeka. So uma uyithatha una to the extent ukuthi manje you want to be physical nayo, and you know ukuthi ama rules they are there ukuthi you amthinta referee or do anything you'll be disqualified. That means wena uthini you overstepping the boundary that we have set for you ukuthi we don't care what you're saying since imali yethu kuzenzakala so okay, if player did that, and then to see actually it was a draw.
Okay.
So kuselela a few minutes ukuthi bahambe usho ama-penalty umuntu azimuvele on. So the referee said ukuthi okay, it's fine, let's not emphasize the rules, ithi ngibaqhubekise because vele isikhathi siyaphela, it's fine, I will let it pass by. But then still even after that the player wasn't keen ukuthi yena uyaqhubeka nje ufuna sidlale, so yena he still wanted ukuthi abuye and then say ukuthi that wasn't a goal or there was a foul somewhere there nani makasho.
Yeah.
Because that person was a goalkeeper, so yena ubone thina what we didn't see, and even soccer ground asiboni ngokufana. And as much as in football so I understand ngokufana.
Yeah.
So ugcina sesithatha ama measures vele ukuthi yazini let's just disqualify the team because manje they are taking us for fools. We're trying to solve the situation and then you guys are just coming up with a high temp. How are we going to solve the situation? So just to show fairness, I was like, okay, it's fine, disqualified. They thought I was joking actually.
Yeah.
They went to speak to Umzo and they so in I was like,
Yeah.
obviously we have to trust the inside because we have been trying to fix the situation, but you guys are coming to me with a high tempo. So what should I do? I almost got beaten up.
Yes, coming to that, you almost got beaten up and all of that. How are you working with ECPF kuyo le tournament that's going to be taking place? So that means there's going to be patrollers over deployed to come and protect us, tinabo cameramen. Because tinabo cameramen sine tendency yokubamba maybe ucoach waleyo team leyo assault referee or sokubamba player assault referee nanani ngecamera, and because we are there singama content creators nomsebenzi wethu ukuthi sibone and sipublishe, you guys then fight with us.
No. That's it's
Sure.
just that most of you guys seni afraid to publish into kanjalo because ngizoluza umsebenzi wenu nisakhola nanani, and which is wrong because manje sayinisusa from the initiative of doing your job.
Yabo.
Because fun ukuthi even when people are using amhlari like umuthi nanani, you always get capture that.
Yeah,
But then now when it comes to a serious thing like we are born iplayer liyamshaya thina sibonanga mabafika pha mina ngimshaya, and now since we don't have VAR, so our best
Sithi
and
kanye
closest
VAR.
thing to VAR is you. So
It's
if
us.
you did capture something, so the moment you post it, if they go and they usually ama-team dayenzayo, they just badmouth you on the social. Team instead of just talking to you face to face.
Face to face.
Umuntu uyagijima
Yeah.
hambe kuma-socials then say bad thing about you. But then masinaso isithombe sokubonisa ukuthi actually who started the fight. That evidence itself
Yeah.
speaks for itself.
Okay, okay. Are we allowed to suggest mhlawumbe, especially kuyo le tournament or maybe your 2026 games? Man of the match. Kuyo yonke top 16. I think we can partner nama franchise afana nabo KFC, your Chicken Licken. I think it's khona la estradeni where we say if ever sizobe sinama games or yes sinama games i4 azodlala ngelanga eli1, we looking for ama-voucher i4 wama-man of the match wawo loma games lawo, maybe to go and spend i-100 KFC or i-Chicken Licken nge-2-piece nyana yabona, instead of maybe spending imali or anything big, just appreciate them yabo, because I'm saying that because in most cases ama-player avaleleka ngaphandle, because if ever you can like take a serious look nje kwizinto zama-tournaments, people that are actually gaining ngabantu bama-team, because baspend imali zabo nanananani and they want their 100% returns before kushare ama-profits and all of that. But then masesibhekelela ama-player ngawo lama appreciations ama-man of the match in I know it's something engalungiswanga for this tournament, mara kwi-tournaments ezizayo can you consider it? I know now, from now on I know bangaba you are mastermind what their organization.
Actually, you just raised a very good point. So obviously, into kanjalo ngeke zvele siyivalele because it's iyasiza nathi ukuthi sikhule as
Yabo.
organization. So obviously into
Yeah.
esingayibeka phansi ukuthi ngicabange, and then akusinto vele enew ngoba usho ezingwabeka la uche ushilo ukuthi khona ezinye izinto esazozenzela and khona into esizovela as a surprise, and by that remain maybe singaba nabo women of the match sibe na something for bona nani. But then the thing is ngoba ngisho ukuthi sambile sanokha nani. So if we get positive response, and njengoba usho ama-proposals later they always have ukuthi you can just sponsor us with anything that you can. We're not demanding for anything. Yeah, so we have given you options. If they are not there, when I tell us what can you bring to the table, then we'll go from there. So obviously, upcoming, we're hoping ukuthi yonke into yethu yobe say in order, ukuthi we can even get more response, because we're even looking forward to having a real partnership, a long-term partnership with the MTN and the school. So within there, at least something might happen and something might come up. Especially MTN. MTN is very well known for into kanjalo available, giving up those vouchers. Nan. So having them on board is exceptional.
Okay. Since I conclude, I think I've actually asked and got insight kuyo yonke into bendiyipreparile apha. I think we've actually browsed lapho nalapho because into ezibhaya. But especially about the upcoming tournament, is there anything that you think bangaba we've left out ongathanda ukuthi we share?
Let me see. Something that we have left out. Do we say what it's called 15?
Yes.
This weekend, yeah.
Did you say? I only said this coming Saturday. But
Saturday.
Then there were no specifics as to date,
okay.
neclesure,
The venue.
venue.
Okay. So Imzomtle's top 32 games will start on the 15th of November.
Okay.
That will be our first 16 Saturday and Sunday. And then, okay, my games. First game, I will call on 9:30.
Nice.
9:30 on the dot. And then we have some interesting teams. As for first game, we have Zone 3 versus Econ Vector. Let me just, for real quick, share the fixture. Nan, what's nice, what I see maybe.
Okay. Say design name, say ready.
Say ready and
Okay,
it's out.
You can just forward it to me noma
Okay.
ku WhatsApp ngizoyifaka at the end of this
Oh,
episode. Yeah.
okay.
Then bazoyibona.
So on Saturday ama-games night i-Zone 3 versus i-Convector, then Umkhonto versus Kepenketule, then it's Protea Machines versus Tina Sonke, then Free State Vitals versus i-Schweppes on Saturday. And then on Sunday, we have Johannesburg All-Stars versus Slovo, Twoza Bees versus Ed Rose. Then we have United Boys versus Miek and Ward 57 versus River Park. Still as a shower, as they say.
Hey, first days yakhala mos.
It's tense.
Yes, yakhala first days. So guys,
Tense.
we are going to see you there. And from myself MK, nifuna ukuyivala ngoku. We
Okay.
good.
Yeah, we good.
Okay, cela ningalibali ukusubscribe guys. If ever there's any questions or any clarity or any insights enizidingayo, cela ningalibali ukukhomenta, ningalibali ukusubscribe, ni-engage bafethu, ni-share to others, and then okubalekile it's for you to be there. Myself MK will be kada at Dexter this coming Saturday from 9:30. From 9:30, Zoben Payana bafethu, you know you are going to get free pictures, whatever that you always get from MK. So ngicela nizwakale nani bafethu. Mama, nakuwe che. Ndiyabulela for this visit.
Bonga Tina and viewers, please bring your other half.
Yeah.
Bring your family.
You.
Bring your friends, your grandfather, your grandparents. Even see female man, we can just slightly ground in spoil ball. It always brings us together.
Aso
as a
crowd
band.
andlela ground
Yeah.
guys. Sigcwale sivale nendlela kungabi na space
Kungabi na
nje.
yeah.
Yabo nje. I know
Kungabi
ithokoza
nandlela
inkulu kakhulu.
yokuphefumula.
Yabo.
Okay, siyabonga MK.
Sharp.
Sharp.